Welcome to The Destination, the second video in our three-part navigation series. We've already covered the basic functions, and today we're going to dive into the different ways you can program a destination.
Entering destination.
To begin entering a destination in your GMC Acadia, you select Destination from the home page. If you've already programmed a destination, you can find it here under Previous Destinations. We're going to assume you haven't programmed any destinations, so we'll start from scratch. Let's begin by entering an address. Whenever you need to provide data to the system, a keyboard will appear on screen. Use this to enter your address into the nav system. The system will ask you to provide whatever information you have: the state, city, street, house number, or nearest intersection. If you don't have it all, don't worry. The system will offer you a list of matching addresses from which to choose. When you press the Done button, you are taken to the destination confirmation screen. If this is your chosen destination, you simply press the Start Guidance button and your route calculates and begins. You can also program points of interest, like hotels or restaurants, as destinations. First, get to the Destination Entry menu by pressing the Destination button on either the home screen or on the console. See the points of interest icon? Press it. There are a few ways to find a POI. You can choose from categories like restaurants, hotels, or retail stores. You can also program a POI if you know the name simply by entering it. As we mentioned earlier, you can also choose from Previous Destinations, which is accessible through the destination icon on your home screen. You also have an address book that you can use to save your frequent destinations. But first, you must enter a destination. Do this by any of the means we've already covered. Once you've reached the Destination Confirmation screen, simply select Save to add the entry to your address book. From here, you can customize the name, number, or icon for that entry. Once it's saved, you simply open the address book, select a stored destination, and press the Start Guidance icon. Another cool feature of this system enables you to save a home destination, which comes in handy when calculating return routes. To set this feature, select an entry from the address book. Then press Save as Home on the Destination Confirmation page.
Maps and routes.
Through the magic of IntelliLink's touchscreen technology, you can also select a destination simply by tapping it on the map. You start this process by choosing the Pick from Map option on the Destination Entry menu. You can then use the Scale button to locate an area. You can also use your finger to fast scroll around the map by holding it on the screen for a second. When you find your spot, tap it. Then press the Go button in the lower right. You're now taken to the Destination Confirmation screen, where you can start your route guidance. Now, we've referred to the Destination Confirmation menu a few times. Let's take a minute to demonstrate how you can launch your route from this screen. The Start Guidance option is pressed to start the system on the calculation of your route. Pressing Show on Map will bring up a map view that shows you exactly where your destination lies. Pressing the Route Options button will allow you to choose the fastest, shortest, or most economical route. You can also choose to avoid toll roads, freeways, and time-restricted roads. The call option enables you to dial a phone number associated with your destination, so you can call and say, "I'd like to make a dinner reservation." Phone numbers are generally restricted to places of business. As we just mentioned, the Save as Home button lets you store a program destination as your base address. And finally, the Save Edit function will either add the current destination to your address book or edit the entry if it is already saved. Once your destination is set, you have a number of options available to you. Press the Dest button on your center stack or the destination icon from the home screen to access your destination menu. Here, you can totally cancel the route, press Cancel Guidance, and then select Yes or No. From this same menu, if you select Destination Information, you will be shown all of your stops and waypoints and your final destination. Select Turn List, and this shows all the moves you'll make along the way. Scroll down, select Avoid List, and you can also see a list of detours and segments of the road to avoid. We've talked about waypoints a few times. Here's another way that these can be added to your route. From the destination menu, select Waypoints. Simply tap Add Waypoint and enter a destination by the address or POI method we've already described. You can add up to 3 waypoints to any destination. That's it for navigating a destination. Check out the final video, Part 3, the extras, in our navigation series to discover a few more handy tips and features that can truly optimize your driving experience. Have a great drive.